Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be talking about borderless printing. So this is an example of a borderless printing. Because these ones are the ready-made ones I get in the market. I got these two for 250. This one is 150, but I was able to bargain the price for the two for 250. So I have the small ones too that I got earlier, like this one now. I got it for 15 naira. And I have some examples here. This one I got it for 100 naira. So these ones are the ready-made ones I get in the market. So let me show you how to make the customized one on my phone. Like if you have a design that you want to do, I'll be using the Canva app. I'm not a very good designer, but I will design something for you guys to see. So after doing the design, I will go and print it. Then I will go and print it and I will put it on the cloth. So let's go to my phone screen and do the design. Now that I have finished design, I'm going to take it to where I'm going to go and print it. So after printing, I will bring it for you guys to see. So I've collected the design. Can you see? I did not do this is A4, by the way. This is A4 paper, as an A4 sheet. I did this for 900 naira. I initially wanted to this design I made on my phone on Canva. I wanted it to be A4 paper, but I remember I needed this Young Borax logo, so I managed it for it. So, and before you do the printing, you are supposed to use a measuring tape. I'm coming. Let me get a tape. So I've gotten a measuring tape. Whenever you want to go and print a design, you have to know the measurement of what you need. Like this one now, the one I have here is 8 by 8 inches. Look at it. This is 8 inches by 8 inches. You will tell them the inches you want. So, and how you are going to know the inches you need, you get the cloth you want to put it on. Like this one, I'll be putting it at the back of this cloth. You measure where how big you want it to be at the back of the cloth. You use tape to measure it. Let me show you very well. So you are going to lay the cloth on a flat surface like this, and you measure how big you want it to be. So once you know the measurement, then you'll be able to know how wide or how big you want it to be. So you can print something bigger. So you just know the size of A3. Once you know the size of A3, you will know that, okay, it's A3 I want to do, or it's A4 I want to do, or it's A2 I want to do. But for this one now, I did A4, which is 900 naira. So I did 8 by 8 for the design I did on my Canva app. And this one is for another job. So this is what I will do. I'm going to cut this Young Borax. I will cut it away from it. Then I'll be ironing this to the cloth. If you have heat transfer, you can use heat transfer, or you can take it to where they do it in your area. If you know you don't want to do it yourself with iron, or you can take the cloth with you whenever you want to go and do the job. Where they do this printing, most of the time they usually have it transferred there. You can also print it there, but I think the price is always kind of expensive to when you go to the market to do it. They will do this kind of job for you now at where they do the printing. I think it's 100 naira, but in the market it's 50 naira. They will do it for you, just 50 naira. If you don't mind, you can do it there. But me, I'll be using iron to do it. But currently we don't have light, so I'll be using a stove iron to iron it to this cloth. So I'm coming. Let me set the iron up. So I'll be cutting this Young Borax from the printing I went to go and do. I'll cut it away from this one. So this is how you cut it. You get a scissors, then you just cut it and leave space. I'm coming. I'm going to show you what I'm saying. Look at it now. I leave space for it. See, there is a space here. So don't cut on the design. Don't cut the design. Make sure there is a space beside it when cutting it. Look at it now. Can you see where I cut? So in case, even if it's the normal the ready-made one you get at the market, and you don't want to use all the design, like this one now, if I don't want to use all the design from this one, then I can cut it too. You can decide to cut maybe this words, you can cut it, or you can cut the one at the side. You can cut it too and put it on cloth separately. So I'll quickly cut this one now. So I've separated it from each other. So this is the one I'll be putting on the cloth. I'll keep this one for the job I needed it for. Since there is no light, I'll be using this gas to heat the stove iron. I have a stove iron here. I have 2 of this, so I'll be exchanging it. So let's do it, and let me do it and you'll see. So I've heat this one. It's currently hot. So what I'll be doing first, I'll first of all iron the cloth. You iron the cloth first before you put the design. So I'm cleaning the surface here, then you iron it. You iron where you want to put the design. So after you've ironed it and the place is neat, then you this is what I'm going to do. Provided you want the design to be at the middle, you fold the cloth in two like this. You fold it in two like this. Then I will iron this place. The reason I'm ironing this place so that I'm going to know the center, of the cloth. So now I can see the center. I don't think it's visible in the camera, but I can see it like this. I can see the center. Then you are going to do the same thing to the design. You take the design, you also fold the design into two. Where the design is, so not all the nylon, no, because you will look at where the design end here and where the design end here too. Then you put it on top of each other like this to know the center. So here now, this place is the center for this top. I'm going to use my hand to press it. Then I'll do the same thing for the bottom too. I'll look for the center of the design. I'll press it. If you have any other way to determine the center, you can do it, but this is how I do it. Then after doing that, you place it at the center of the fabric you want to put it to. Yes. Now it's at the center. So this is where I want the design to be now. Then you iron it. It's still hot. This customized one, it takes time before it will transfer itself to the cloth. So I'm going to change the iron to the second one. So there. And after doing this, you turn it to the wrong side. because when you say you should put iron on this side, you are going to mess up the work. So turn it to the wrong side and just iron it again from the wrong side. The iron should not be too hot though, so that you will not spoil the design. So I'm through with this one. Let me quickly do that of the ready-made own too, for you to see. Can you see now? So this is it on the top. So let me quickly do the ready-made one on this my jean here. This is the ready-made one I got in the market. This one doesn't take a lot of time like that of the customized one, although that is my own experience. So I don't know, maybe someone else could get their own customized one easily, but this is how I do mine. So let me quickly. Please don't put hot iron on your design. You are going to destroy your design. No? You can put the nylon on it like this. If you see anywhere did not stay very well, and press it. The iron is too hot. So there are still some places that is not yet in the clothes. So I'm going to turn the jean to the wrong side and I will iron it on the wrong side. Once I do that, all these places that is remaining, I don't know if you can see it through the camera, I still have some places that is not well laid. So I'm going to do that. I will turn the jean to the wrong side. So I've turned the jean to the wrong side. I'm going to be ironing this wrong side to where the design is. You can apply little force. Yes, it's okay now. So this will be the end of this tutorial. That is how to fix the borderless design and also how to do the customize on and fixed it. Can you see? It's there now. The other one too is there. So in the next video I'll be teaching us how to do the badge, how to fix badges. See you in the next class.